How to use Snapchat on PC or log into Snapchat using your personal computer, your Windows, laptop or Mac. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In today's guide video, I will show you how you can use or log into Snapchat using your PC or Windows. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button. And without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So recently Snapchat just updated their web version of the Snapchat app, which means now you can use Snapchat on the web. You don't need to have your mobile phone in order to create an account or to chat or to send snaps as well. So in order to do that, just open up your browser, and once you open up your browser, in the search box you want to simply go to snapchat.com. so I will also make sure to leave this link down in the description box. Just go to snapchat.com and hit the enter button. Once you click on enter, you'll see all these different options, and you can see this is how it is going to look like. And you can also see this, which is Snapchat is now on the web. Now chat, snap and video call your friends from wherever you are. You can just log into your account, and you can also download the mobile version of app if you want. All you have to do is simply click on login to chat button on the top right corner, and once you go to the login page, over here just enter your email address or username and your password. So let me also just go ahead and fill in my details accordingly right over here. Once you fill in your details, just log into your account, and as you can see, it will actually send the verification code. So let me also just verify the code right over here. Once you verify the code, hit the submit button again, and as soon as you submit the verification code, you can see confirm in Snapchat. So what you want to do is you can open up the Snapchat app on your phone and then simply confirm the details over here. So once you've confirmed also in your mobile version of the app, what you want to do is now you can see welcome to Snapchat for web, which basically means now you can click on get started button, and you will see a Bitmoji profiles. You can allow your location to Snapchat as well, and just like that you'll be able to see that you have simply turned on and then used your Snapchat app in this way. Or you can also turn on notifications, which you really want to. You can just go ahead and simply send a chat, or you can send a snap to some of the people over here. And this is simply how you can use Snapchat on PC. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.